Welcome everyone. I call upon Harshita that she would like to share what she has created for her. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am, for supporting in this. I have done this because of you.
Bless you, beta. I'm blessed.
Yeah. So this is there's someone who took money from my mom 2 years ago. 2.5 lakhs. It's really not a small amount for us. So that person has taken saying he needs for loan, and he said he would return it within 3 months. So we trusted him and we have given him. And since then, he kept on saying that he would give in 1 month, 2 months, like that. Until now, he has not given. And he said that once he gets retired, he will give my mom the whole amount in a check. And he retired in the month of July, and there was no response from him. We went to his place. His family says that they don't know regarding all this, whereas they knew it. And we had no proof. And when we started calling him again and again, he was like, I'll come to your home, I'll come to your home, and he never showed up. Then suddenly, when the session started in the first week itself, ma'am said that we have to show gratitude to the person who is not giving the money. Okay. I felt so connected. I was in so much tension and depression since 2 years, because we are expecting and that person is not giving us any hope. And so since that day, every day I write gratitude statements to him. And Friday, what happened last Friday, when my mom called him up, he started blackmailing my mom, saying that he would file a petition against her, stating that she has given him bribe.
Okay.
So it was all so bad. And that's when the same day I texted Kamaljit Bhaiya to ask regarding this. I was in tension and all. Then he helped me out. He uh, corrected my gratitude statement, saying that I always showed gratitude to the past, not to the present. And then for 3 days continuously, I started writing. Yesterday, he came, and in front of 2, 3 people, officers, he's saying that he would give all the money back to us. So that's really the
Wow.
biggest hope, because it's
Wow.
been 2 years and that person was playing with us and with my mom's feeling. Every time he'll tell, I'll come, and he never comes. So
Great.
this was very bad. But then yesterday we partied at home, me and mom.
Very nice, bache. And trust it will happen.
Yes, ma'am.
Just
And I
don't
have,
leave this. Don't
yeah,
leave this. You will keep on giving gratitude has the power to create miracles in life.
yes, ma'am.
या ग्रेटिट्यूड रहेगा आपके पास या आपके पास कंप्लेंट्स रहेंगे, रीजंस रहेगा, सिर्फ एक चीज रह सकती है, आप ग्रेटिट्यूड दोगे आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. And
Right.
a human being has got power to create anything and everything for yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
जिसने ये गांठ पकड़ ली ना, वो कभी हार ही नहीं सकता. आप ग्रेटिट्यूड करते रहो, आपका कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, कहीं से एक और तोड़ ढूंढ के लाऊंगी, आपको जिताना मेरा काम है और मैं जिताऊंगी. एंड यू विल विन. आई एम देयर, एवरीबडी इज हेयर. और सबसे अच्छी बात है, कोई लीगल है तो कमल कमल इज देयर. कोई बिजनेस उसमें वाला है, नितेश इज देयर, और बाकी डॉक्टर जे भी बैठे हैं. एवरी हमारे पास सबका तोड़ है.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Kamaljit Bhai, and thank you
Yeah, thank you.
everybody for giving hope every day.
Yeah.
It really helps me a lot. Thank you so much.
डॉक्टर जेपी, एक और अचीवमेंट है फोरम की. आज फोरम ने मॉर्निंग में शेयर किया. फोरम, नाउ आई वांट योर शेयरिंग.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Sorry, I got up a little late.
I want
Yeah,
to share.
so basically, since almost a year, we were thinking of making a YouTube channel. So ये COVID का हुआ ना, तब से especially like I started making some videos for family just to make sure कि हम लोग connected रहे and all that. So all the kids used to dance and I used to make videos. ये देखते देखते मेरे son को भी he started thinking कि उसको खुद को YouTube के video में he wants to talk and he wants to present things and all that. So that combined with like my and my husband's dream of making a YouTube channel, we were like, okay, we should do something, but वो हो नहीं रहा था, like पता नहीं time, universe was not
Can
like
you show your
there,
video,
right?
please? I would like to
Yeah.
see your video.
Sure. Can you do that? I'm on phone, ma'am, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically, actually, okay, I think you can only share in the meeting. I don't have the permission.
Okay. Okay, I did it.
Madam.
नहीं, मेरे में नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, not a problem. You can share that way. Now just put your screen on. Everybody can see you.
Yeah, not in my best. I woke up just like literally 5 minutes ago.
Not a problem.
Yeah, so basically we were trying since a long time and ho nahi raha tha. And then we basically read the Magnificent Outcome chapter and I was like, okay, solution to hai. I mean, I was giving gratitude since some time, but I think it's the energy, right? Like itne dil se aap mangte ho wo cheez. So
Yeah.
after writing Magnificent Outcome, like the activities and all that, so I was like, okay, this is it. I think I just need to give it a date to this activity now. So I gave it September 15. That was like 2 weeks, like 2 weeks before, like almost 2 weeks before September 15, I had put it down. वो एक weekend try किया, कुछ नहीं हुआ. Again, like things went haywire and we never got to it. Finally, पता नहीं, last weekend, like September 13th was the day when like my husband started just putting things together and like he started shooting pictures and whatnot. And I was like, oh, wow, we are really doing this. Like in my head, I was thinking, I was not even saying anything because I was like, I don't want to jinx it, right? And but we just ended up working for 2 to 3 hours and upload kiya. And when it was uploading, I was like, oh my God, like this is really, really happening. Like after almost a year of thinking about this, it finally happened. And I mean, regardless of what the outcome is, like just that moment कि वो हो रहा है, that gave me so much happiness कि no यार, वो जो faith चीज है, right? Like it needs to be here in order for this to happen, right? Just like यहाँ पर हो, yes, we are giving gratitude every day, but like दिल से जो वो highest level होना चाहिए ना, वो जब तक नहीं आएगा, it's not gonna happen, right? So that was like amazing feeling. And thank you, Monica ma'am. I think like every day whenever you talk about like highest energy level, right? Like that was the time when I actually felt it. Like an auric actually hua tha incident.
Wow.
That another incident is little bit personal, but I want you to turn off the recording if you don't mind.
Not a problem. I'll just pause it. लो.
के लिए ना डाउट आ ही नहीं रहा मन में कि नहीं होगा, मुझे पता हो जाना.
हाँ, आपका ग्रेटिट्यूड स्ट्रांग है, आपकी इंटेंशन स्ट्रांग है, तो इट विल हैपन. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं कि कैसे नहीं होगा, सब कुछ होगा.
और मैं वो पंजाब वाला काम हो गया मेरा. आज मुझे जसकीरत के यहाँ से दिल्ली से भी कॉल आ गई वो वेरिफिकेशन की. So,
वेरी नाइस. ये हुई ना बात. ये
बिल्कुल मैम, उन्होंने मुझे कॉल करके यही जो पूछी डिटेल, कहते हैं हमने सिर्फ वेरीफाई करना था. ओके मैम, थैंक यू. होपफुली जल्दी उसका आ जाएगा सारा.
Great. See, the things are happening. You just to make, see, बड़े बुजुर्ग होते हैं ना, उनको एक रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए होती है. उनको ये चाहिए होता है कि उन्होंने आप विश्वास करते हो ना, तब से कर रहे हो ना, वो हमारा ध्यान रख रहे हैं ना. Just enhance their belief. That's it. आपने सिर्फ इतना करना है. बड़े लोग कुछ नहीं चाहते हैं कि उनको एक रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए, एक उनको चाहिए कि आप उनको बात करते रहो, उनको बस यही चाहिए होता है. और आपने सिर्फ उनको यही देना है.
मैम मैंने उन्हें बोला, मैंने कहा आपने उस दिन भी तो किया था ना, ग्रेटिट्यूड शो किया था कि हमारा यहाँ से हो गया था ना। कहते पर हमने वो उस पे काम भी तो किया ना। मैं क्या, काम करना हमारा है, आगे अरदास करनी है हमने बाबा जी का, उन्होंने अपने आप बना दे।
बोलो मैं काम कर रही हूँ, अरदास आप करो, दोनों रल मिल के करते हैं, इट विल हैपन।
हाँ जी,
उनको बस
Thank you.
उनको उनके एनहांस करना उनके बिलीफ को, उनको वो नहीं करना कि भैया हो जाएगा वो, क्योंकि देखो ना, हम समझ सकते हैं कि मैजिक है और वो होएगा, वो लोग नहीं समझते हैं कि मैजिक है, तो उनके लिए एक लॉजिक माइंड लगाते हैं कि यार कुछ किया तो है नहीं, ऐसे कैसे हो जाएगा, समझ रहे हो बात को? तो हर इंसान का बिलीफ सिस्टम डिफरेंट होता है, तो उनका बिलीफ सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग करो जिसमें उनको बिलीव है ना, देन इट विल हैपन। ये राजा कौन है? हुज राजा?
मैम, थैंक यू सो
थैंक यू
मच।
मानवी, थैंक यू सो मच। हुज राजा?
माय फ्रेंड।
अच्छा, ओके,
हाँ, मैंने आज बोला
वेलकम
था ना।
राजा, वेलकम टू द सेशन। क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो नया नाम था, तो मैंने कहा आई मस्ट सी हु इज ही। Great. So let us start the session with the gratitude. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So, Manvi, why don't you start with gratitude? Would you be able to do that?
हाँ जी मैम, कर लूँगी।
Great. Or Forum, will you read the chapter? Would you be able to? Oh, great. Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Chalo, Manvi, let us start.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I love you, God. I love you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me this beautiful day in which I am enjoying my health. I am uh, getting better and better. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for my parents who always support me, love me, take care of me, and protect me in every phase of my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for my siblings who love me, support me, and care me, and always be there for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for this beautiful life in which I am learning and I am gaining new experiences of life with the magic session and with the magic, and I am making my life very beautiful with this magical journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me such a wonderful mentor, Miss Monica Uri, who always support me, who always there for me, who loves me, and always take care of me. I'm very grateful to have her in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for this beautiful home in which I have all the comfort, all the facilities of my life, and I'm enjoying my life very beautifully and peacefully. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for all the food I eat, which is making me healthy, fit, and fine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for granting all my wishes and blessing me with all my dreams and all my wishes, all my desires. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I love you, God. I love you, universe. I'm one with God, and God is one with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Manvi, for creating wonderful gratitude statements. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Blessings to all. Thank you. Bless you. Great. So, grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So, every day we do gratitude to everyone, our home, our parents, our relatives, our workplace. So, we get miracle results. So, the yesterday assignment was 10 statements, 3 dreams, choose 3 people, and take their photograph, and then you need to say thank you for the health, wealth, and happiness, and the night ritual for the magic stone. I hope you all did it. There's lots of sharing already happened. Now we are not going to share, we'll just move ahead. So today the topic is Cue the magic. Wow. Cue the magic. That universe gives you cues. यूनिवर्स आपको कुछ कुछ सिग्नल देता है और आप एक्शन करते हो. जब 2 दिन से मानवी नहीं आई, मेरे को क्यों हुआ कि कुछ उसके कुछ सीरियस प्रॉब्लम है, दैट इज व्हाई शी इज नॉट कमिंग. आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड. तो रात को मैंने पहले इसको 11 बजे कॉल किया. मैंने कहा दिस इज लेट, देन आई सेंट अ मैसेज टू हर एंड देन शी कॉल्ड अप इन द मॉर्निंग. ये नहीं करती, उसके आधे घंटे में मैं ही नहीं कर लेना था कि क्या हो गया, सब ठीक ठाक है. सो समवेयर और द अदर यू गेट द क्यू फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स. कुछ है, अगर आप खुद देखो, कुछ सिक्स्थ सेंस देती है ना आपको, कुछ गड़बड़ है, कुछ कहीं कुछ है. So that is actually the signal given by the universe that please work on this. When you start working on this, everything will happen. और कई बार आप उसको इग्नोर कर जाते हो, तो बाद में आपको लगता है यार मुझे ये आया था दिमाग में और मैंने ये क्यों नहीं किया. So always make sure when something happens, take precautions so that it doesn't come in a bad effect. You know that. Life is playfulness. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. So let us start. Yes, forum. It is on the screen only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Life is playfulness. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. By Flora Kulau. Today's practice, Cue the Magic, is one of my favorite practices because it's a game you play with the universe and it's a lot of fun. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and that it wants you to have everything you want in life. Because the universe can't just walk up and hand you what you want, it uses the law of attraction to give you signs and cues to help you receive your dreams. The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth your dreams. So it plays its part in the game by giving you personal cues to remind you to be grateful. It uses the people, circumstances, and events that surrounds you in your day as your magic cues to be grateful. It works like this. If you hear an ambulance siren, the magic cue from the universe is to be grateful for perfect health. If you see a police car, your magic cue is to be grateful for safety and security. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it's your magic cue to be thankful for great news. If you want to change the weight of your body, when you see another person with your perfect weight, it's your magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple madly in love, it's your magic cue to be grateful for the perfect partner. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for children. When you pass by your bank or an ATM, it's your magic cue to be grateful for plenty of money. When you arrive home, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls to have a cup of coffee, or you wave to them across the street, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors. If you happen to see one of your material desires on your list, such as your dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, or computer, of course, it's your magic cue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now. When you begin a new day and someone says good morning, you're being given a magic cue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who is really happy, it's your magic cue to be grateful for happiness. And if you overhear another person saying thank you, anywhere at any time, it's your magic cue to say thank you. There are unlimited and creative ways the universe has to be magically cue you to be grateful in your day-to-day activities. You can never misunderstand a magic cue or get a cue wrong, because whatever you think is a cue is for your right. The universe uses the law of attraction to magically cue you. And so you always attract the exact cues that you need to be grateful for in that moment. Cue the magic has become a daily game I play, and with practice, I now automatically see all the magic cues the universe gives me, and I give thanks for every one of them. It never ceases to thrill and amaze me how the universe finds new ways to cue me to set the magic of gratitude into motion. When I receive a phone call from a friend or a family member, it's a cue to be grateful for him or her. When someone says, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" it's a cue to be grateful for the beautiful weather where I live and for the another beautiful day. If an appliance breaks down, it's a cue to be grateful for all my appliances that are working perfectly. If a plant in my garden is struggling, it's a cue to be grateful for all the healthy plants in my garden. When I collect the mail, it's a cue to be grateful for the mail service and the unexpected checks. When someone says they have to go to an ATM or I see people in line at an ATM, it's a cue to be grateful for money. If a person I know comes down with a sickness, it's a cue to be grateful for their health and mine. When I open my curtains in the morning and see the new day, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day ahead. And when I close my curtains at night, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day that I had. To play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, "Thank you for my perfect weight." You can never do too much gratitude, so you can choose to do more. And if you want, you can even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can. If you've been following the daily magical practices over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. One of the many benefits of gratitude's magical power is that it wakes you up and makes you far more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more grateful you become, and the more easily you attract your dreams, and the more easily you attract your dreams. So, universe, cue the magic. Magic practice number 25. Cue the magic. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, today, be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 gratitude cues from the events in your day. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, "Thank you for my perfect weight." Number 3, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day." I think that's it, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Pona, for creating this chapter beautifully. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the chance. Thank you, everyone, for hearing me read. Thank you.
So let us see a video.
Feel what you are, what you attract. Yeah. What's on your mind? Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
exactly.
the law of physics. I don't know how anybody can disagree with that. Ask any physicist, though.
तो आप जो कहोगे वो होगा. You have to use all your tools. मैंने पहले भी बताया था, कोई इंसान जो आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा है, उसका कॉल नहीं आ रहा है, you want him to come talk to you, you just create that thing, fake it till you make it. So when the person is not giving you the money, that person, just just visualize that you are talking to him and he is saying कि मैं भेज रहा हूँ. Keep on doing it, keep on doing it. आपने इस वीडियो का देखो क्लू, देखो मेरे को इस वीडियो से देख के एकदम से क्लू आया, आई शुड शेयर इट विद यू. उसने हार नहीं मानी. सी, अगर आप कहोगे मेरे को अरे 1 महीना हो गया मुझे करते, अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, आपको ये सोचना ही नहीं है महीना हुआ है 2 महीना, तब तक करते रहो जब तक वो नहीं हो जाता. अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो तो दैट इंटेंशन इज नॉट देयर. यूनिवर्स विल गिव यू व्हेन यू कंप्लीट द एलिजिबिलिटी ऑफ दैट थिंग. It will not come to you until and unless you clear the eligibility. हर एक वाइब्रेशन जो है मैच करके आपको कुछ सुनाई देता है. 104.6 जो आपका एक रेडियो का जो एक फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच करेगी तो गाना सुनाई देगा. ऐसे ही उस काम की फ्रीक्वेंसी ये है. आपके ग्रेटिट्यूड की फ्रीक्वेंसी जब यहाँ बनेगी, दो यू विल, दैट विल बी मैनिफेस्टेड. सो यहाँ पहुंच के मत बोलो मैं करता जा रहा हूँ कुछ नहीं हो रहा. यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ. बिकॉज वेन यू डाउट योर प्रेयर्स, जो आपने जितनी प्रेयर करके यहाँ पहुंचोगे ना, वो फिर वापस नीचे पहुंच जाती है. सो प्लीज डू नॉट डाउट. यूनिवर्स विल गिव यू. द ओनली थिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू, यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट योर प्रेयर्स. इधर यू डोंट ट्रस्ट योर प्रेयर्स. इफ यू ट्रस्ट योर प्रेयर्स, it will happen. Have that kind of confidence in you, have that kind of trust in your things, the things will happen. हो ही नहीं सकता कि now the prayers are always answered.
Hello, ma'am. Simran here.
Yeah, Simran.
First of all, I'm really sorry that I couldn't attend these classes for past 5 days as I went to Ahmedabad to collect my stuff back. And everything was so hectic and it happened so suddenly. I just had 2 days over there to pack everything and come back.
Not a problem.
So, yeah, ma'am. I just wanted to discuss this even few days back also, but I couldn't during that time. Like, these classes have given me so much positivity, but I've, actually the thing is that 3.5 years back, my real sister, she passed away. And it was really sudden, and I was really attached to her. And she, of course, she was my elder sister, so there were a lot of things too. So for at least 2 years, it was really difficult for us to even accept the fact that she is no more and everything. But after that, I've been extremely emotional person, and I have a lot of fears. Like even when there's a small thing that happens, I don't know. I think to that much extent कि जिसकी कोई possibility भी नहीं होती. But even there's a tiny thing, and I'm so afraid because of those things. And even today, I was like something happened 2 days back also. I got to know about something, and I'm feeling so afraid for that. And also, like, I'm feeling so nauseatic because of that also since past 2 days. And everyone around me is like, yes, there's no possibility of that also, that it's not gonna happen. But it's not even the sixth sense, but you get afraid till that extent that you start believing that maybe there can be a possibility and it can happen. So I really don't find any answer to that. How should I control myself or be able to accept the fact that yeah, Simran, nice things can happen, this won't happen again, or something like that. I don't know how to control me in that fact.
So what do you want? What support?
Like even after listening to this Q thing, today's chapter, I was like कि maybe या तो मेरे अंदर वो चीज नहीं है, and I should accept the fact कि वो cues जो मेरे सब friends या बाकी family members बोल रहे हैं कि वो चीज नहीं होगी, maybe I should take that positive thing as a cue.
क्या चीज नहीं होगी?
मैम ऐसे तो मतलब इतना कुछ नहीं, मतलब जैसे भी कुछ टाइम पहले भी लाइक मेरे डैड के लिए बोल दिया था कि उनकी हेल्थ में प्रॉब्लम्स आने वाले हैं. मतलब हिज टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स आर कंप्लीटली फाइन.
कौन
मतलब there's an uncle, he's a doctor also, and he was there with my sister also, and उनको थोड़ा समझ आ जाता है कि ठीक है maybe something wrong is gonna happen.
So we really believe in him. And I used to get dreams about my dad also, that maybe he's no more or something. And of course, this fear has settled so deep inside my head that I am not able to overcome it.
तो सिमरन तुम्हें एक चीज डिसाइड कर लो, whether you want to come out of it or you want to be in there where you want to.
I really want to come out of it. I've given myself so much positive thoughts that Simran, this won't happen. I have made him also say thanks to each and every organ because of these classes.
सिमरन बेटे, पॉजिटिव थॉट से कुछ नहीं होगा, आपको उस शेल से बाहर आना पड़ेगा। आप पास्ट को पकड़ के खड़े हो, पीछे देखो, नहीं है आपकी सिस्टर, और शी इज फीलिंग सो बैड अबाउट इट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट टेकिंग चार्ज ऑफ योर लाइफ। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, श्राद्ध चल रहे हैं पिछले 2 दिन से, अगर आपको जो महसूस हो रहा है ना, हो सकता है शी मस्ट बी अराउंड योर सेल्फ, आपके आसपास होगी। उसको कितना बुरा लग रहा होगा कि सिमरन मेरे फादर की केयर नहीं कर रही है। और कुछ नहीं है, उसका लाइफ उतना ही था। भगवान ने हर इंसान की लाइफ उसके कर्मा के हिसाब से बनाई है, उसका लेखा जोखा आपकी लाइफ में उतना ही था। So you don't have to, she is with you all the time. Who said she is not there? But you are hurting her by being like this, whatever you are right now. कोई तीसरा बंदा आके आपको बोले ये इनकी तबीयत खराब होगी, ये नहीं होगा, आप उसकी बात पे विश्वास कर लोगे? आप अपने पे विश्वास करो ना। Take charge of your life, take charge of your father, see the things happening.
Yes, ma'am.
When you started the faith, when you started the sessions, you were so good. The moment you drop the efforts, moment you drop the gratitude, you are again back to the, this world, वापस। आपको अपने पे विश्वास खत्म हो गया है। When you started, you were having that confidence in me. Yes, I am able to do that.
Yes,
या तो पास्ट को पकड़ के बैठो बच्चे, या आगे बढ़ो। आपके ऊपर डिसाइड, आपको डिसीजन लेना है।
I really want to get out of it.
To get out of it, so you accept that she is no more. You have to accept it and love her more, because you have to follow her steps. She was your elder sister.
Yes, ma'am.
और आपके फादर को कोई देखने वाला नहीं है, आप देखने वाले हो। You are the doctor of your father. You are the doctor of your life. You are the doctor of everything. घर में भी आप ही नहीं चलाना है।
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आप ऐसे रहोगे तो आपके घर में फादर को कौन संभालेगा, बाकी को कौन संभालेगा? You are not taking charge of your life. मैं बार बार ग्रुप में एक ही बात लिखती हूँ, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग टू दीज सेशंस। ये सेशंस इसलिए आ रहे हो आप यहाँ पे क्योंकि आपने अपनी लाइफ का चार्ज लेने का ठेका लिया है। अगर आपने यहाँ पे आके सत्संग सुन के चले जाना है तो प्लीज डोंट कम टू द सेशंस। आई वांट यू टू बी हियर टू डू द असाइनमेंट्स दैट इज बीन गिवन टू यू। अदरवाइज बच्चे कोई फायदा नहीं है। यू आर सो यंग राइट नाउ। अब आपके फादर को तीसरे बंदे ने आके बोला कि वो तबीयत उनकी ठीक नहीं रहेगी, वो नहीं रहेंगे। कौन डिसाइड करेगा? आप डिसाइड करोगे। आपका ग्रेटिट्यूड डिसाइड करेंगे, आपके प्रेयर्स डिसाइड करेंगे, आप डिसाइड करोगे। नोबडी एल्स कैन डिसाइड, नॉट इवन डॉक्टर्स कैन डिसाइड। मिरेकल्स हैपेंस। हॉस्पिटल में मिरेकल्स होते हैं, डॉक्टर खुद हैरान हो जाते हैं, हुआ क्या, ये तो हो गया। मैंने तो अभी 3 दिन पहले अपने फादर का बताया था, डॉक्टर्स गिव अप कर चुके थे, तो मैंने डॉक्टर को डांट लगा दी, आपने कैसे कह दी ये वाली बात। बेटे एक ये होता है विश्वास, एक होता है बिलीव योरसेल्फ। स्टार्ट डूइंग मिरर एक्सरसाइज।
यस मैम।
डू द प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे। बच्चे ऐसे करने से कुछ नहीं होगा। यू हैव टू टेक द चार्ज। वी ऑल आर विद यू। इतने सारे लोग तुम्हारे साथ है बेटा। Everybody is here. Don't feel that you are alone. सिर्फ एक सोच कि मुझे इससे बाहर निकलना है। I want your commitment. See everybody is, एक कॉल में तुम्हारे सामने खड़े होंगे सारे लोग, जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। I can promise you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Monica.
Yes, Anjana.
When she was sharing, she said one thing. She said, we believe in him. That person who said, okay? So I want to say, beta, believe in yourself, believe in your magic, don't believe in anyone else.
Thank you so much, Anjana ji.
Simran, sorry, I should not be adding, but I wanted to let you know one thing. Before I joined Monica, Monica would remember the first few weeks. Monica याद है मेरे को कितना reactions होते थे. मैं कह रहा था एक छोटी चीज होती, मेरी पूरी body vibrate कर रही होती थी ऊपर से नीचे तक. इतना डर, क्योंकि I had been through whatever experiences of my own past, जैसे आप बता रहे हो, I had been through that, you know. And Monica would remember, मेरी पूरी body, मतलब मुझे पता भी नहीं होता क्या होता, एक छोटा thought होता तो मैं extreme तक ले जाता था उसका डर, और पूरी बॉडी कांप रही होती थी, मेरे पसीने छूट रहे होते थे, और मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मैं करूं क्या. आई डिडंट न्यू व्हाट टू डू बिकॉज माय बॉडी वाज सो यूज्ड टू. मैंने इतने टाइम तक उस चीजों को हार्नेस किया किसी भी कारण से, नेगेटिव या किसी भी चीज को, that it used to happen. But I'm assuring you, because I have done it personally, and I'm telling you with my own experience, just follow Monica, just practice gratitude. एक water therapy जो बताती है मैंने वो भी करी थी, and take my word for it, you will be out of it. But you will have to believe, and you will have to have that willpower to climb back. Once you get that willpower, nothing, I'm telling you the word nothing. मैंने कल भी शेयर किया दादाजी का एग्जांपल और किसी का भी एग्जांपल कि when people, सबने कह दिया, जैसे मोनिका ने भी शेयर किया कि मोनिका के फादर भी वापस आए थे मतलब डेथ से या किसी भी डेथ बेड से या किसी भी डिसीज से, just because they had the willpower. Willpower is above anything or any energy or anybody is even saying anything on that. If you believe, if you have that willpower to come out of anything, you can climb out of any damn thing in this life. Take my word for it. And just, वो कहते हैं ना, जा सिमरन जा, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. आज से अपनी जिंदगी शुरू करते जीना बेटा.
Thank you.
मोनिका, एक चीज शेयर करना चाहती हूँ मैं, उससे शायद इसको हेल्प मिले. I am a only child of my parents. Okay, I lost my father when I was 19 years old. And मेरा बेटा 5 साल का था तो मेरे मदर को डॉक्टर्स ने बोल दिया था कि ये अब सरवाइव नहीं करेंगे. जवाब दे दिया था डॉक्टर्स ने मम्मा को हॉस्पिटल में. मैं ना मम्मा के बेड के सामने बैठ के प्रेयर्स करती थी कि भगवान अभी नहीं, बिकॉज अभी मेरे बच्चे बहुत छोटे, अभी मैंने मम्मा के साथ कोई टाइम नहीं स्पेंड किया, मम्मा ने दुखी देखे हैं, अब तो मौका आया है मम्मा का एंजॉय करने का लाइफ. अब भी नहीं, अब भी तू नहीं लेकर जा सकता, ठीक है. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, आई सॉ कृष्ण भगवान मम्मा के बेड पे आशीर्वाद देते हुए कि तेरी माँ को कुछ नहीं होगा. एंड मम्मा जब ठीक होना शुरू हुए तो इतने ठीक नहीं थे कि हम लोग कह सकते कि हाँ सरवाइव कर जाएंगे. माय मासी केम टू मी, शी सेड तेरे प्यार ने बांध के रखा हुआ है माँ को, माँ तड़प रही है, माँ को जाने दे. मैंने कहा मासी, माँ का ना एक अरमान है कि अर्नव से मैंने आग लगवानी है. मैंने कहा अर्नव अभी बहुत छोटा है, मैं आग नहीं लगाने दूंगी, मैं आग तभी लगाने दूंगी जब वो बड़ा हो जाएगा. आज मेरा बेटा 23 साल का और मेरी माँ मेरे साथ जिंदा है, हेल है, हार्टी. सो एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. बस तुम्हें मैजिक में बिलीव करना है, तुम्हें अपने भगवान में विश्वास रखना.
One more thing is that he's just a doctor, he's not a god, and you are giving him power to him. You are giving him power that he should come and give him आपको आके तकलीफ दे. Stop giving him your energy. Stop giving him your energy. Think he's just a man, he's not a god, he's just a doctor. If you go to a different doctor, he'll give you different opinions. Different doctors have different opinions, different tests. So stop, giving him power. You're giving him power that he's stronger than you. It is not that way.
Simran beta. Simran.
Yes, ma'am.
I want your declaration in front of everybody. What are you taking on?
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I declare that I'm going to believe in myself. I'm going to leave past behind and be present. And I know that everyone in this journey is with me and will always be there to support me, to help me in everything. I'm so thankful for this family. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you to each and every person around here.
वन पर्सन, अनमोल को कुछ होता था ना, वो ना दिन देखता था ना रात देखता था ना, वो करता था मेरे को कॉल करता था. आई यूज टू टेक हिज कॉल एवरी टाइम कि मोनिका मुझे पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, मुझे बता दो क्या रहा है. मैं उसी टाइम और he did it.
Agreed. Yes,
He did it.
agreed.
बेटे सरेंडर कर ले, यहाँ कम्युनिटी हम लोग बैठे हैं, कुछ नहीं होगा. वी आर देयर विद यू.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
एक कॉल या एक मैसेज ग्रुप में डाल, सारे बैठे हैं तेरे को सपोर्ट करने के लिए. यहाँ हमारे पास डॉक्टर भी है, यहाँ हमारे पास वकील भी है, यहाँ हमारे पास सारे लोग बैठे डिफरेंट कम्युनिटी के. यू डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. सब सही है यहाँ पे. समझ में आ रही है बच्चे?
हाँ जी मैम.
तो बेटा घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्सेप्ट that your sister has gone and she's happy over there, and just tell her ki didi just be with me whatever I do. I promise you that I am going to take care of my father. समझ में आ रही है बात? और फादर को भी आपने बोला पापा बिल्कुल ठीक हो, आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ है. And visualize that he's happy and you are happy, you are having tea, you are having food, you are having meal. Just be happy with them. समझ में आ रही है बात बेटे? वो भी आपने उनको भी तो रास्ता आप ही ने दिखाना ना बच्चे. अगर आप ही हार मान जाओगे तो आगे क्या होगा? आपने ग्रुप में लिखना है और रोज लिखना है कि यू आर हैप्पी, योर फादर इज फाइन. आपने रोज ग्रेटिट्यूड स्टेटमेंट स्नैपशॉट खींच के भेजेगी तो ग्रुप के ऊपर.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, चल. ब्लेस यू बेटा, ब्लेस यू.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
थैंक्स that you shared today. नहीं तो आज हमें नहीं पता चलता कि तेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. So this is for everyone in this community. If you are going through some challenge, if you are sometime, you know, because we are human beings, हम लोग हो जाते हैं, तो we need some support. We are here for everyone. So किसी को कभी भी कोई जरूरत हो, just send a message. We are standing, we are very strong pillars for each one of you. So please, anybody has anything, just post it. We are there for you. Jyoti, congratulations.
Oh, thank you, Didi. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Great. So when is going?
23rd.
Oh, wonderful.
Next week.
Wow. तेरा और उसका ड्रीम फुलफिल हो गया. Wonderful.
बिल्कुल. हाँ दीदी, बिल्कुल भी विश्वास, कोई भी विश्वास नहीं करता था मेरी बात पे, बट मुझे था कि नहीं, I have to send him. सब बोलते थे कि नहीं अकेली रह जाएगी, यू हैव ओनली वन सन एंड सिंगल मदर, but it was my dream.
Wonderful. Very nice. Great. Proud of you being a mother.
Thank you.
Like this.
Yeah.
Amazing. And I'm sure your son is a wonderful being और वो तुम्हारा बहुत ख्याल रखेगा.
Yes, I know. Thank you so much, Didi. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thanks. So let us proceed. We just have 2 more minutes. And video ho gaya. So let us just 2 more slides. Thank you. I'm so blessed and grateful to the universe that all my members of Magic Group are creating magic in their lives. So please, for these sessions, create a video, whatever you have accomplished, whatever it is, just छोटा सा video, एक gratitude देने के लिए, sessions के लिए, so that I can post it on the channel. आप एक छोटा सा या message डाल देना, या छोटा सा video बना देना. That is just a small gratitude from your side to this program. And next batch we are starting on 21st September. I really want जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस हम अपनी लाइफ्स में कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, आई हैव अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज अपने नियर डियर वंस को भी एनरोल कराओ प्रोग्राम के अंदर और लेट देम कम एंड प्लीज उनको भी मजा चखने दो, एक खुशी का, एक हैप्पीनेस का, एक मैजिक का जो हम यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. एंड वी ऑल आर स्टैंडिंग हियर टुगेदर. अगर हम किसी की चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट ले आए, इससे बड़ी कोई नियामत नहीं होती है. So let us do it and let us create magic in their lives also. So my humble request to everyone, please bring at least 2 to 3 people to whom you want to transform. I really request everybody. Thank you so much. And assignment for today is write down 10 blessings, top 3 desires. Today be alert, आज आप अलर्ट रहोगे, पूरा ध्यान रखोगे आसपास कि आप छोटा सा क्लू किसी से क्या मिला है और आपने उसे क्या असेस किया है. Take at least 7 gratitude clues from the events in your day. For example, if you see someone with perfect weight and then say thank you for my perfect weight. किसी को देखो, एम्बुलेंस देखो, कुछ चीज देखो, उससे कनेक्ट करके आप किसको ग्रैटिट्यूड शो कर रहे हो. At least 10 you have to do it. And at night you have to use magic rock or whatever the best moment that has happened. That is it. Thank you so much and blessings.
Ma'am, before we wind up, can I just share one minute, just 1 minute?
Please.
Ma'am, I just want to say thank you to you because transformation journey of my son has also started. He's talking so much about you in the class, in the house. Last class, you showed him your doggy, how you have trained him. So he was boasting about it. He was talking, Monica ma'am is teaching so many things to me. She has told me to say so and so statements in front of the mirror. Why don't you also say that?
Wow.
So he's teaching us, teaching me and my wife that you also start doing. Transformation will happen in you also.
Oh my God.
So we are so happy, ma'am. Thank you so much for this.
Wow. And I would request, please bring more children to, because मेरे लिए एक ये नहीं है, it is not about magic. These are the few things which children should know. क्योंकि मैंने बच्चों को भी पढ़ाया है, टीचर्स को भी पढ़ाया है, मुझे पता है कहाँ गैप है. So I'm filling those gaps. And now they look, 5 बच्चे हैं, they look forward to have that class happening. They really, और excitedly, बहुत पहले अर्नब ध्यान नहीं देता था, बट धीरे धीरे उसके बाद नाउ तो माय गॉड, मैम अच्छा ऐसे भी हो गया, मैम अच्छा ऐसे भी. शी शोज सो मच ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. मजा आ गया. इनफैक्ट सिद्धांत इतना मस्तू बच्चा था, नाउ वो ही सो सिंसियर नाउ. नितेश, हैव यू सीन फ्यू चेंजेस?
या मैम.
दे आर रियली कमिंग आउट रियली वेल. अभी सिर्फ 1 महीना हुआ है एंड द काइंड ऑफ they are coming up with the presentations, with the gratitude statements. It's amazing. It's amazing. Actually amazing. You know, हमारे बच्चे अगर हमारे ऐसे चले और बच्चे अगर माँ बाप को सिखाए, इससे अच्छी तो कोई बात ही नहीं हो सकती. Great. Thank you, Amit.
I have one question.
Yeah, Veena.
बच्चे का बैच कब अभी चल रहा है या नेक्स्ट बैच अभी कब शुरू होता है?
बच्चों का सेशन होता है 11 से 12.
Ma'am, send the link now, ma'am.
Sure. Same link है. 11 से 12 आते हैं बच्चे.
11 से 12 दोपहर को.
वो एक्सरसाइज भी करते हैं, वो उनको एक्टिविटीज भी कराती हूँ एवरी
मैडम.
क्रिएटिंग. हाँ जी, बोलो जीविना जी.
ये एज लिमिट है क्या इसके, इस बच्चे की?
हमारी जो एज लिमिट है वो 7 साल से शुरू होके 12-13 साल तक के बच्चे.
7 से 12 साल. ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
1 साल का भी एक है वो बच्चा, वो अब अनिका आती नहीं है, पहले अनिका आती थी बट वो भी थी. बट अभी जो हमारा एज ग्रुप है वो यही है, 7 से 12-13 साल तक के बच्चे.
ओके.
बात ये नहीं है, बात इस चीज की है कि हाउ टू ट्रेन योर ब्रेन, हाउ टू बिकम अ सुपर लर्नर, how to do super brain exercise, how to present yourself, how to show gratitude all the time. हर चीज के अंदर gratitude show करना, mirror exercise करना, and they are just loving it. And हम मतलब मुझे भी 1 घंटा पता नहीं चलता मैं कैसे जाता है, क्योंकि I love kids और वो इतने प्यारे बच्चे हैं, मैं बता नहीं सकती. It's amazing.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
My daughter is keen, but she can't.
करते हैं आपस में कि हमें मम्मी पापा को नहीं बताना. Yes, Nitesh, you were saying something.
My daughter is keen to join, but so 10th का exam चल रहा है ना, 10th का पढ़ाई कर रही है.
हाँ.
So I told after 10th I'll make you join.
Yes, we'll do that. Not a problem. So thank you so much. Love you all.
मोनिका.
Yes.
ग्रेटिट्यूड का असर देखना, आपके मेल पे कुछ पहुंच गया है फटाफट.
अच्छा जी, थैंक यू सो मच.
हाँ, वो मैजिक हो गया. जो आपने सुबह रिक्वेस्ट डाली थी वो भगवान ने फुलफिल करके मेल पे दोनों रिक्वेस्ट आपकी फुलफिल करके भेज दी है.
Wonderful. Thank you. So blessed. Thank you. God bless you all. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you,
ma'am.
God bless you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.